Hi guys, so at the back end of November I was asked if I would like to take part in an Invert YouTuber Secret Santa, which was organised by Bug World and Leeds Creatures. My mystery box has just arrived, so yeah, this is going to be my unboxing it really, which is pretty cool. So let's see what we have. I'm not like stabbing too hard. Don't have anything. Alright, so we have Merry Xmas from TSS, Spider Shop, oh god, Kaftan, yeah, we'll open that in a minute, and then we have another box, trying not to get packing peanuts everywhere. We have some little tops and lids, obviously for these. I'll take this one off. Pop them in there. So we have, I'm not going to try and pronounce all of these because I'm not very good, but there you go, a little 2 centimetre sling. We have Nhandu chromatus. I think I already have an Nhandu actually, so now I've got 2, which is totally fine. Yeah. And you see that? Camera's playing ball and focusing for once. I'll write the names down afterwards. And T-Boston. I like those little guys. So yeah, and obviously it's cute little tubs, which is great actually because I am super low on sling tubs. That's what they have. They're pretty cool actually. I got little, I've seen these before. Got little like feeding hatches. They're really cool. I like all the holes in already. Also I have micro crickets. Really good actually because I've just run out of fruit flies. So they will come in handy massively. That side, a little Pipette, see a couple of little dishes yeah, something cute little, and I've just dropped it on the floor, but cute little feeding dishes. They're quite sweet actually. I'll pop them there. And yeah. Cool. Ta-da! Oh yeah, and like loads and loads of packing peanuts, which is great actually because I can use them for packaging. I'll pop them in there a sec. Oh, Kaftan. So yeah, I will go get that dish that I dropped in a minute. But yeah, there we go. Pretty sweet actually. Easy, look at that. Happy days. Well, thank you very much Spider Shop and whoever my Secret Santa was. They're really awesome, thank you. I hope everyone has a good Christmas and I will be starting to do videos again soon now I've moved and my house is a little bit more together. But yeah, have a good one guys, see ya.